Hello and welcome to the channel. Today, we'll be exploring the practical health benefits of baking soda, from kitchen staple to health aid. In the world of cooking, baking soda is commonly known for its leavening abilities. However, its potential extends far beyond the kitchen, offering several health benefits worth exploring. So let's delve into the practical applications of baking soda in promoting digestive health, oral hygiene, skin care, odor control, itch relief, and urinary tract health. Starting with number 1, digestive comfort. Baking soda's alkaline nature makes it an effective antacid, neutralizing excess stomach acid and providing relief from indigestion, bloating, and heartburn. Mixing a small amount of baking soda with water can offer quick relief, serving as a natural alternative to traditional antacids. It's important to use it in moderation to avoid disrupting the body's acid-base balance. Using baking soda for digestive relief, mix 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of baking soda into a glass of water. Stir until the baking soda dissolves completely. Drink the solution slowly to alleviate symptoms of indigestion, bloating, or heartburn. Repeat as needed, but do not exceed recommended dosages. Number 2, natural dental care. As a mild abrasive, baking soda can help remove surface stains and plaque from teeth, resulting in a brighter smile. Its alkalinity also combats oral bacteria, reducing bad breath and promoting oral hygiene. Simply mixing baking soda with water to form a paste or using it in homemade toothpaste can achieve these benefits without the need for harsh chemicals. So for brighter teeth and fresher breath, create a paste by mixing baking soda with a small amount of water to form a thick consistency. Dip your toothbrush into the paste or apply it directly to your teeth. Gently brush your teeth for 2 minutes, paying attention to areas with stains or plaque. Rinse thoroughly with water, and use this homemade toothpaste 2 to 3 times per week for best results. Number 3, gentle skin care. Baking soda's fine particles make it an effective exfoliant, removing dead skin cells and promoting a smoother complexion. It can also soothe skin irritation and alleviate itching from insect bites or rashes. Incorporating baking soda into facial scrubs or adding it to bath water can provide these skincare benefits in a gentle manner. How to use it for smoother, clearer skin. Simply combine 1 tablespoon of baking soda with 1 to 2 tablespoons of water or coconut oil to create a paste. Apply the paste to damp skin, focusing on areas prone to dryness or roughness. Gently massage in circular motions for 1 to 2 minutes to exfoliate. Rinse with lukewarm water and pat dry. Follow up with moisturizer. Use this exfoliating scrub 1 to 2 times per week. If you find any value in this video and would like to see more videos like it, please give a like and subscribe to the channel. Number 4, natural deodorant. Baking soda's ability to neutralize odors makes it a suitable alternative to commercial deodorants. Applying a small amount to clean, dry underarms can help keep odor at bay throughout the day. This natural approach avoids the use of potentially harmful ingredients found in many conventional deodorants. Using it for odor protection throughout the day, you can sprinkle a small amount of baking soda onto your palm. Pat the baking soda onto clean, dry underarms until evenly distributed. Reapply as needed, especially after sweating or physical activity. Optionally, mix baking soda with a few drops of essential oil for a pleasant scent. Number 5, soothing skin irritations. Baking soda's alkaline properties can neutralize acidic compounds responsible for itching, providing relief from insect bites, sunburn, or rashes. Creating a paste with baking soda and water and applying it directly to the affected area can offer quick relief and promote healing. So to alleviate itching from insect bites or rashes, you simply mix equal parts baking soda and water to create a paste. Apply the paste directly to the affected area, leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse with cool water and pat dry. Repeat as necessary for relief. Number 6, urinary tract health. Drinking a solution of baking soda and water may help alkalize urine, potentially reducing the risk of urinary tract infections, UTIs, by creating a less favorable environment for bacteria to thrive. However, it's essential to consult a healthcare professional before using baking soda for this purpose, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications. How to use it for promoting urinary tract health. Dissolve 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water. Stir until the baking soda is completely dissolved. Drink the solution once a day to help alkalize urine. Consult with a healthcare professional before starting this regimen, especially if you have a history of urinary tract issues. By incorporating baking soda into your daily routine in these various ways, you can harness its natural properties to promote digestive comfort, oral hygiene, skin care, odor control, itch relief, and urinary tract health. Whether you're seeking relief from discomfort or simply looking for natural alternatives to conventional products, baking soda offers a simple yet effective solution for a wide range of health and wellness needs. And that concludes this video. Thank you for watching, and if you found any value in this video, please give it a like and subscribe if you'd like to see more content like this.